Hey pals! I'm Prancer, your go-to reindeer, and today, I'm spilling the cocoa on how Santa's reindeers stay warm when it's chilly out there. Imagine this, snowflakes falling, wind blowing, and we're rocking it like winter superstars. So, how do we do it? Gather round, my fluffy buddies. First off, check out our cool hoof shoes. They're like the trendiest kicks in the North Pole. They're wide and flat, helping us prance on the snow like it's a furry runway. No sinking here. Now, let's talk about my awesome fur coat. It's softer than a cloud of marshmallows. It keeps me as warm as a blanket of hugs. We reindeer are like walking, talking snuggle experts. And then there are these antlers. They're not just for show, they're like the thermostat for my cool reindeer body. When it gets cold, they help keep me warm. It's like having my own built-in heater. Take that, winter! Oh, and don't forget Rudolph with his shiny red nose. It's not just for guiding Santa's sleigh. It's like a tiny heater, spreading warmth wherever we go. So, there you have it, buddies. Snowshoe hooves, cozy fur coats, temperature-friendly antlers, and a nose that's better than a nightlight. We're the dream team of winter. Thanks for hanging out on this Behind the Antlers adventure. Stay warm, stay cozy, and remember, Rudolph's nose isn't just for looks, it's for glowing. Catch you later, cool cats.